I'm Joshua.
Okay.
And today it said that we were gonna ride horses and we didn't.
Yeah, we didn't because of the rain, right? Because it rained a lot today. Okay. What else did you guys do today?
We go to the secret pal.
The secret what?
For our secret pal.
Oh, you made something for your secret pals? Cool. And what else did you guys do?
We did archery and I got it almost right in the middle.
Yeah, we got video of that actually. So we already put the video up of that with you doing archery. And what did you do today besides that? Did you do archery also?
In the rain.
Yeah? How was it? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Cold.
Who do you want to say hi to?
You made me sick.
Hi, Mom?
Say hi to my mom.
Mom and Dad?
Take a picture with the
Okay.
TV. We put TV in front.
Do you want to tell them anything else? No, that's it? You're having fun over here?
Yes. And we also got caught in hail.
Yeah, there was a little bit of hail. But it was kind of fun, huh?
Ice.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Wave bye to your family.
Bye.
Okay.